Whether for promotions, decor, or directional signage, custom floor graphics are effective marketing assets for any business or industry, and installing them is easy. Before you begin, we recommend that you install your graphic in temperatures between 40 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal adhesion. You also might want to consider hiring a professional installer if your graphic is larger than 18 by 24, or if it has a complex design, overlap, or is tiled. Now, let's install. Here's what you'll need: a tape measure or measuring tool, a glass or multi-surface cleaner, a lint-free cloth, masking tape or painter's tape, a hand applicator or credit card, a rubber roller, this one's optional, and a safety pin. Step 1. Prep your surface. Use a multi-purpose cleaner to thoroughly clean the floor, ensuring it's free of dirt, dust, grease, or other debris that may affect the adhesion process. We recommend doing a final wipe down with water and a lint-free cloth. Step 2. Apply your graphic. Find the center of your graphic on the floor. Once you do, mark where the top of your graphic will be with the tape. Peel back the liner from your graphic and set the graphic back to your tape marks. With the top edge of the graphic in place, use a hand applicator or credit card to smooth the top edge down and out from the center. We recommend placing a piece of masking or painter's tape along the edge of your applicator to minimize the risk of scratching the graphic. Use a rubber roller, if you have one, to press out any air bubbles in your graphic. This will create a better seal to the surface. If air bubbles persist, use a pin and poke a hole in any that stand out to release the air. If there are too many bubbles, you may need to peel back your graphic and do the smoothing process again. Wipe away any water residue from the smoothing process. That's it. Since floor graphics have adhesive on the back, adhesion will take place immediately. All that's left is for you to stand back and admire your work.